Croeso i'r fideo Iechyd a Gofal Cymdeithasol a Gofal Plant gradd Ddwbl. Welcome to the Health and Social Care and Childcare Double Award video. Pam dewis TGAU Iechyd a Gofal Cymdeithasol a Gofal Plant gradd Ddwbl? Why choose GCSE Health and Social Care and Childcare Double Award? Am eich bod yn astudio Iechyd a Gofal Cymdeithasol a Gofal Plant ar hyn o bryd, mae gennych gyfle ym mlwyddyn 11 i gael TGAU ychwanegol yn y pwnc. The City and Guilds WJC in Health and Social Care and Childcare, which you are studying at the moment, will provide you with a GCSE qualification at the end of Year 10. Therefore, you have an opportunity to continue studying the subject into Year 11 and gain another GCSE. Mae'r cwrs wedi gynllunio i gynnwys materion cyfoes mewn perthynas â darparu iechyd a gofal cymdeithasol a gofal plant moesegol a chynaladwy yng Nghymru, ac i greu dysgwyr annibynnol sy'n gallu gwneud penderfyniadau gwybodus am gyfleoedd dysgu pellach neu barhau i wneud dewisiadau o ran gyrfa. The course has been designed to include contemporary issues in relation to the provision of an ethical and sustainable health and social care and childcare system in Wales, and to create independent learners that can make informed decisions about further learning opportunities or continuing into related career choices. Mae'r cwrs yn cynnwys 2 uned. Uned 3, sef Iechyd a Gofal Cymdeithasol a Gofal Plant yn yr 11th ar 20. So Unit 3 consists of Health and Social Care and Childcare in the 21st century. Yna, Uned 4, hybu a chynnal iechyd a llesiant mwyn sicrhau canlyniadau cadarnhaol. Unit 4 is about promoting and supporting health and well-being to achieve positive outcomes. So with regards to Unit 3, Uned 3, arholiad ydy'r uned yma. It is an exam unit. 1 hour 30 munud, 1 hour 30 minutes, and this is a written paper. Uned 4. Dyma'r uned gwaith cwrs, lle byddwch chi'n neud gwaith ymchwil yn ymwneud â'r unigolyn a'r gwasanaethau yng Nghymru. This is Unit 4, which consists of a controlled assessment that will be written after doing research on individuals and the services in Wales. Diolch am wrando. Os ydych angen mwy o wybodaeth, dewch i'n gweld i yn ystafell 19. Thank you for listening, and if you want any information, please come and see me in room 19. Diolch.